Alright guys, so I wanted to show you how easy it is to do the highlight covers. So remember I showed you guys how to make one. So I'm going to grab this one that I made, downloading it from Canva. I have the Canva app on my phone. So now I'm just going to make sure this is in my camera roll, which it is. And then I'm going to go to Instagram.
Is that one like it?
You can either make a new one, or if you have one, like an old one. So what I do typically is if I was making a new one, a lot of you were saying it like you don't have highlights or you weren't sure how to use them. So I would grab something like this and then make it a highlight. I would name it, something new, testing. And now this thing is in that highlight. So if I were to go to my profile would now have this thing called testing. If you click on these ellipses, like just ellipses at the bottom, you can edit your highlight, and then you can edit the cover and grab an image, which would be this. And then that's it. And now, if I were to go look at it in my profile, testing is there with that new highlight cover. Obviously, I don't want that there, so I'm going to remove highlight. And that's gone. Okay, so it's really, really easy.